Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for insightful product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of camping essentials, and we've stumbled upon something truly remarkable: the GIMWA Collapsible Wash Basin. Let me tell you right off the bat, folks, this isn't your ordinary wash basin. No, sir. This right here is the best camp wash basin available in the market. The GIMWA basin boasts a collapsible design that's a game-changer for campers. When not in use, it folds down to a mere 3 inches in height, making it incredibly space-saving and easy to store in your camping gear. But wait, there's more. This basin isn't just for washing dishes. Oh no, it's a multifunctional marvel. Whether you need to wash baby bottles, toys, or even your clothes, this basin has got you covered. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your camping needs. And let's talk about durability. Made from high-quality thermoplastic elastomers and polypropylene, this basin is built to last. You can trust it to withstand the rigors of your outdoor adventures without a hitch. Plus, it's leak-proof. Thanks to its strong silicone seal, you won't have to worry about any unwanted spills or leaks while you're washing up. Did I mention how lightweight and portable it is? At just 1.2 pounds, you'll barely even notice it in your camping gear. And with its convenient carrying handles, you can take it with you wherever your adventures may lead. So, whether you're camping in the wilderness or road tripping in your RV, the GIMWA Collapsible Wash Basin is your ultimate camping companion. Trust me, folks, you won't find anything better out there. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy camping!